This question comes from Emma, who asks, what if two galaxies collided near Earth? At first, it sounds terrifying. Stars crashing, planets flung into space, total cosmic chaos. But the reality is a bit more subtle and fascinating.
Galaxies are mostly empty space. Even in a dense galaxy, stars are separated by light years.
So when galaxies collide, individual stars almost never actually hit each other. Instead, the interaction is mostly gravitational, stretching, twisting, and reshaping entire galaxies over millions of years.
Let's start with what a galactic collision would look like from Earth. If the Milky Way collided with a neighboring galaxy like Andromeda, which is on a collision course in about 4 billion years, the night sky would transform.
For centuries, the Milky Way might stretch across the sky like a brilliant, chaotic ribbon. New star clusters and nebulae would light up the heavens as gas clouds compressed and sparked new star formation.
Would Earth itself be in danger? Not immediately. Stars are so far apart that direct collisions are exceedingly rare. However, the gravitational forces of passing stars could disrupt the orbits of comets in the Oort cloud, sending some hurtling toward the inner solar system. This would increase the risk of impacts, though increased risk in cosmic terms might still be one asteroid every few thousand years. The galactic collision would also stir up interstellar gas. When massive clouds collide, they compress, triggering bursts of star formation. Some of these newborn stars are massive and short-lived, exploding as supernovae within millions of years.
From Earth, these explosions could appear as bright points of light in the sky, and if close enough, might affect our planet's atmosphere or radiation environment slightly.
Over millions of years, the Milky Way and the colliding galaxy would warp each other's shapes. Spiral arms stretch and twist. Central bulges might merge. Eventually, the result could be an entirely new galaxy, probably an elliptical galaxy, smoother and less structured than the Milky Way today.
Black holes at the centers of both galaxies would spiral together, creating gravitational waves. These ripples in space-time would travel across the cosmos, though they wouldn't harm us. Occasionally, though, the merging of supermassive black holes could fling nearby stars out at incredible speeds, stars moving fast enough to escape their home galaxies entirely.
How about our solar system? Could it survive intact? Probably. Our sun would mostly feel the gentle tug of gravity as the Milky Way and Andromeda pass through each other. Planets would remain in orbit. Earth's night sky would become unimaginably beautiful, with stars and clusters from the intruding galaxy visible in broad daylight. Imagine the Milky Way and Andromeda blending into a glittering, chaotic spiral across the sky.
But collisions would also strip some stars away. Rogue stars and planets might be ejected into intergalactic space. We could potentially witness interstellar wanderers passing through our solar system. Bright, unusual stars not bound to any galaxy.
Galactic collisions are slow. Even overnight, in cosmic terms, takes millions of years. So humanity, if it lasts that long, would have time to adapt and observe. Astronomers would have the ultimate front-row seat to cosmic evolution, seeing starbursts, tidal tails, and gravitational warping in real time. The collision would also enrich the interstellar medium. Elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron from exploded stars would spread throughout the galaxy. This could seed future planetary systems with more material for planets, potentially even more life-friendly worlds.
And yet, despite all this drama, the vast emptiness of space means collisions are graceful, not catastrophic. Stars dance past each other, gas clouds swirl, black holes merge quietly. It's a cosmic ballet. Chaotic, yes, but not the apocalyptic scenario some might imagine.
Could life on Earth be affected? Indirectly, yes.
Increased comet impacts, nearby supernova radiation, or long-term shifts in the galaxy's structure could slightly alter conditions on Earth. But Earth itself wouldn't be flung into space or consumed by stars. Life would probably persist, adapting to new cosmic vistas.
For astronomers, the scientific payoff would be immense. We could study galaxy evolution in our own backyard, test theories of gravity, star formation, and black hole mergers. Cosmic history unfolding before our eyes. It's every astronomer's dream.
In short, a galactic collision near Earth would be visually spectacular and scientifically priceless. Stars wouldn't smash into each other, but their gravity would reshape the Milky Way over millions of years. Our solar system might feel a few tugs and comet showers, but life would go on.
So what if two galaxies collided near Earth? A slow-motion cosmic dance, stretching the night sky, triggering starbursts and sending black holes spiraling, while Earth watches, mostly unharmed, from the quiet edge of the chaos. The universe would show off its power and beauty, reminding us that even in immense collisions, the cosmos moves with a strange, elegant order.
And as we gaze at the sky, we'd see not just stars, but the story of galaxies entwined, a living tapestry of gravity, light, and time, slowly weaving a new future for the cosmos.
So, what if two galaxies collided near Earth? A slow-motion cosmic dance, stretching the night sky, triggering starbursts, and sending black holes spiraling, while Earth watches, mostly unharmed, from the quiet edge of the chaos. The universe would show off its power and beauty, reminding us that even in immense collisions, the cosmos moves with a strange, elegant order.
And as we gaze at the sky, we'd see not just stars, but the story of galaxies entwined, a living tapestry of gravity, light, and time, slowly weaving a new future for the cosmos.